What's up guys, it's your boy, back at you with another video. Today is Monday the 7th, I'm back when I said I was going to be. And basically it's just a rundown of Wagwan up until, well, today is officially the start date for I'm just getting things popping from today. Monday the 7th was sort of my initial start point. I had some shit I had to basically sort out up until this point, so if you're not aware of Wagwan, check out the last videos. Basically I just had to sort some shit to basically before it was even viable to start this eBay thing properly. So basically, guys, today was just getting things going, and I've got a little something to show you guys. I'm out here like a teacher and that. Like, basically, I've got this whiteboard, yeah. Now this was hanging on the wall back here, and it had all like old data on it and that. And basically, all this is my two accounts and my partner's account. So you can see here. And basically I've split it up into like 31 days. So it's basically a calendar. And on the bottom of the calendar here, I've got a couple goals. My 3-month goal, basically, I've got like a year goal, but I've broke this year down into like quarters. So it's like 3-month segments. So for the next 3 months, my goal is 6 eBay listings a day, 6 sales, and all those sales have to have a minimum of £10 profit each. So across 2 accounts, basically, that's like 3 sales on 1 account. So I've got a clothing account and a hard goods account. So 3 sales on one, 3 on the other. Give or take, you get me. But obviously, I've got 3 months to hit that goal. So it's the 7th today. So I haven't updated this board for everything. But basically, for like the first week of this month, I've done nothing. So it's just going to say 0. Sorry, one more thing I want to show you. Like, if you see, I've got like for example... Hold on. I've got like one hand. You see here? I've got like, or like here, it's like 0 with like a 1. Basically, I've put like how many I've listed that day versus how many I've sold. So it'd be like, say if I've listed 3 and sold 3, it'll be like 3/3. So basically, I'm gonna be keeping it up to date from today. I'm gonna backtrack for my hard goods account and my partner's account, and basically just put how many sales and listings we've done for the first week of the month. Obviously listings, none of us have really done any listings for this week, but we've had sales, so we can put the sales in. And then from today, I'm basically going to be listing as frequent as possible, all the way up until listing 3 a day, which I predict, or should I say I know, this month I'm going to struggle to do that. Whether I might be able to do it, but it just depends on how much inventory money I've got to go and get more stock. Because right now, basically, I spent like the last week doing nothing, just letting everything go dormant, and I've after shipping everything out, I have about £60 to go start fresh with in it. And like today, I spent like a little 15, got like 3 items, got like, oh, they're not here now, I put them away, but I got like some board shorts, these Oakley ones. I got like some Chums trousers, and oh, this is here. This is basically like a retail arbitrage thing. Basically, it's coming up to Christmas time, and they had all these Grinch Advent calendars, 99p in this shop. I had a quick look online. I can get anywhere from I'll be honest with you, anywhere from 6 to 12, 13 quid. Obviously, they're selling at around 6, 7 now, but I feel like over the coming months, it'll be more likely to get 7 to 13. So basically, I can send them as a large letter. So I'm hoping, even if I sell them at like £7, it's just something in it, and that's breaking my rule, to be honest. £10 minimum profit, but it is breaking my rule. But like, I saw it in it, so I just got that today. That literally cleansed out the shelf. There's like 13 of them there, so that's just something in it. And I got a couple of things. So today basically I would have only hit half my listing goal, so I would have listed 3 instead of 6. But I'm allowing this month to have some slip ups in it, and next month I'm gonna be a lot more strict to myself. This month I just want to get shit. Well, my actual goals for this month particularly, is keep my full-time job. So for those who've watched the last 2 videos, you know that's my problem. I just don't want to work, you get me? But I'm done with that. I'm keeping a full-time job alongside the eBay, and that's gonna allow me to smash it. Basically, it's gonna make me unstoppable. My second goal basically is account for all my eBay money for this month, 100% of it down to the last penny. So if I spend anything, I have to reimburse it basically. I just can't spend nothing for the foreseeable future. And my last goal for this month is get as close to 180 listings as possible. So 3 a day over 30 days. That's like 90 listings on each account. Times that by 2, 180. So that's basically my monthly goal, 180 listings for the next 3 months. I expect this month to probably hit around 80 to 90 listings. Next month I reckon I'll be able to do the 180. And then that last month I feel like I'm going to be holding myself back from going further. Because I don't want to rush this. I want to do it right. I don't want any slip ups, and I want to, for the most part, have all of the money accounted for. You get me? So by the time I'm at the end of this year, there is no more struggle. That's basically why I'm doing this. So, sorry guys, I got like hiccups or something. That's basically my board, yeah. So I'm gonna hang this up on the wall now. My room's a proper shithole. Like, I decorated my son's room basically the other day or yesterday. So like all this stuff got thrown in here. And like, you know when like I've not been working in here this last week, my kids just use it as a fucking playground, man. Because it's a big room. It's like, oh shit. It's like one of the biggest rooms in my house, innit? Hence why I claimed it as this. And it's just a playground for the kids, man. Look, bomb site, fam. So basically, I'm going to tidy this up today. I've got to list those 3 items which I got. Everything's shipped out for today. I've sold one more item, but it's like, that'll go out tomorrow. Today I sold, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 items, you know. So, like, although I've not been listing, I've had some okay sales. I've just had okay sales, like, the last couple of weeks. Just standard sales for me, nothing spectacular. But it's enough to take and go and resell with. The good thing about the eBay business I have built is a micro store. But I knew is all I needed to get things going is a full-time job, because it funds itself, it pays for its own shipping, it brings in profit to go out and buy more items. So I've got a basis to turn to a real thing here, so I just need not to neglect it and get it done. So basically guys, that's today's update. I just wanted to do this quick, and I'm dying for the toilet, you know. Every time I come record I got cut because like things are about to happen in here, you know what I mean? But other than that guys, like the video, subscribe, go check out man's gaming channel. I ain't posted on there in a minute, but I'm about to post as soon as things are here up and running. But go subscribe anyway, because there's some madness on there. Other than that guys, I appreciate y'all. You get me? And we out. I'll update this board tonight and we'll sort things. Respect,